Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to view your total earnings on Vinted step by step. I'll be showing you this on the mobile app. First, open the Vinted app on your phone. Tap the app icon on your home screen. You'll see your main feed with listings from other sellers. Now we need to get to your profile. Look at the bottom of your screen for the navigation bar. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Your profile page will load, showing your username at the top, your listings, and various settings below. Next, we're accessing your balance. Scroll through your profile options until you see balance listed. In some regions, this might be labeled as wallet instead. Tap on balance. The wallet screen will display your current balance breakdown, showing your pending balance and your available balance. But this just shows what's in your account right now, not your total historical earnings. Here's where you access your full earnings history. On the balance screen, look for a small clock icon. It should be somewhere on this screen, though the exact location can vary. Tap the clock icon if you see it. This should open a view showing various folders organized by year. Each folder contains your earnings data broken down month by month for that year. This is where you can see your cumulative earnings over time, tracked by year and month, rather than just your current wallet balance. A couple of quick things to know. Your pending balance is payment that appears when a buyer pays. You can't use this yet because the transaction is still processing. Your available balance is funds that have moved out of pending status and can be withdrawn or used for purchases. The earnings history view through the clock icon tracks your total earnings over time, with year-by-year and month-by-month breakdowns, which is especially helpful for tracking income for tax purposes. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.